Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Horrify filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, here in trending section, you will find the filter. Remember this image? Okay, suppose you are not getting the filter like this in trending section, then what you can do, tap on the search button and search for Horrify. Okay, remember this first image, this is the filter. Tap on apply. Okay, so this is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to your feed page, the for you page. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, and search for Horrify filter. Okay, you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want.
Do your makeup with...
Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here, you can add it to your favorites. And at the bottom of the screen, you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Likewise. Okay, suppose you are not getting the filter like this also from for you page, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.